In electronics, adder or summer is a digital circuit that perform addition of two numbers. So here I have shown a truth table with two inputs A and B, and you have a sum and a carry. An electronic circuit working like this is said to be half adder. Half adder. A half adder can sum only two binary bits. Only two binary bits. Now if you sum 0 and 0, the answer will be, the sum will be 0 with a carry 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1 with a carry 0. 1 plus 0 is sum 1 with a carry 0, and 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. A digital device performing an operation like this, like as shown in this truth table, is said to be half adder. Now, if you consider the fundamental product corresponding to the high output, here you have two high output for the sum. These are the high output cases. Then the fundamental product of these input combinations will be A complement B plus, from here you will get A complement, here you will get B. So A complement B plus, now here A B complement, A B complement. This represents the high output for sum. So this is the expression for sum of a half adder. Now what about carry? Carry is high when both inputs are high. So the fundamental product for carry will be A into B. So A into B is the Boolean equation for carry. So S represent here sum and C for carry. So in order to make a Boolean expression like this, we only need a AND gate. You have two inputs A and B. The output will be A into B. Now what about sum? Sum is the output of a XOR gate. So if you have an XOR gate, then you will get the expression, output expression. The input of XOR gate is, if A and B, input A and B ആണെങ്കിൽ, the output will be equal to A. So yeah, the output will be equal to A complement B plus A B complement. Okay, so let us make a circuit. So we need an XOR gate. So first I have to make a OR gate. Then one more I need to draw zero. Now this is my first input A, and we have another input B. So T inputs to XOR gate. Now this output will be equal to your sum, and that is equal to A XOR B. Now we need an AND gate for carry. Now from A we have a connection to AND gate, from B another connection, then this will be carry, and that will be equal to A into B. Now this gate രണ്ടും ഞാൻ ഒരു ബോക്സിനകത്താക്കി. So the device inside the box will work as a half adder. Now you can make an XOR gate or like this. So in order to make an XOR gate, you need a OR gate. You need an OR gate. Sorry. So suppose you have a OR gate. Now this OR gate in input like രണ്ട് AND gate connect ചെയ്യാണ്. So I have an AND gate here. Now another AND gate here. Yeah. Now first AND gate in input line A complement കൊടുത്തു. Second B, and here I have A and B complement. I have B complement. Then this the output will be, here you have A complement into B. Here you have A into B complement. Here you will have A complement B plus A B complement. So this will work as an XOR gate. Now you need one more AND gate for carry A into B. So if you make a device like this, this will also perform the half adder. Now put all these things inside a box. This is also this is also half adder. Okay, so this is how we make half adders. Now, in order to make half adder using NAND gate only, if you have only NAND gate, you can make a circuit for XOR gate using NAND gate only, that I have already discussed. So that thing വെച്ചിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ XOR gate into this gate or this XOR gate ne replace ചെയ്യുക. Then AND gate use ചെയ്യാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇവിടെ carryക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് you need a AND gate. So AND gate നിങ്ങൾക്ക് NAND gate use ചെയ്തിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്താൽ first you have to have a NAND gate, then the output of NAND gate club ചെയ്തിട്ട് again ഒരു NOT gate NAND ഗേറ്റിലേക്ക് കൊടുക്കുക. So this will, the output will be AND gate. So you have AB here, the output will be A into B here. This will be A into B whole complement. ഇവിടെ വീണ്ടും കോംപ്ലിമെന്റ് ചെയ്യും. സോ എ ഇൻറ്റു ബി എന്ന് കിട്ടും. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, ആൻഡ് ഗേറ്റ് ഈ നാൻഡ് മാത്രം യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഹാഫ് ആർഡറിന്റെ സർക്യൂട്ട് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. So the point to remember is a half adder can only add two binary bits. You can add only two binary bits A and B, and it will give a sum and a carry, and the carry is the overflow to next binary digit. Next digit is next position. Carry is the overflow to next position. Let us take another example. 111 plus 111. Now here in the first bit position, here in this first bit position, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Of course, okay, you can add with a half adder. But if you use a half adder to add these two bits, then here you have 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with a carry 1, and you have to add 3 bits here. That means you have two inputs plus one carry from previous position, carry input. So you have three inputs to add, or 3 bits to add. Now in order to do this, we have to use a full adder. So a full adder is a digital adder circuit which can add 3 bits. So you will have two inputs and a carry from input position, or carry from previous position to previous stage to add to the input A and B. Okay, so now let us consider the truth table. So I have three inputs A and B and C, and the C means C in, carry in, so CI. So if you have 0, 0, 0 as the three inputs, then sum will be 0 and carry will be 0. Now 0, 0, 1 will be sum 1 and carry 0. 0, 1, 0 means sum 1 and carry 0. 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. Now 1, 0, 0, 0 with a, sorry, carry will be 0 and sum output will be equal to 1. Sum is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 with a carry 1. Yeah, so this is repetition. Neglect this part. This much is my truth table. Okay, now so this is the truth table. Now if you consider the expression for sum is maximum or high in 4 cases. This is the first case, second case, third case, and fourth case. So let us take the corresponding fundamental product. The fundamental product from here will be, here you have A complement, B complement, C. So first term, the sum is equal to A complement, B complement, C plus, now next from here you will have here also 0, 0, 1, 0. So that means A complement, B, C complement. Then you will have A, B complement, C complement. A, B complement, C complement plus A, B, C. So this will be the expression for sum. Now what about carry? Now if you consider the carry is high in this case. 1, 2, 3, again 4 cases are there. Now correspondingly we have to consider the corresponding fundamental products. Yeah, so the carry will be equal to C is equal to, the first case is A complement BC, then second case is A B complement C, then A B C complement, then A, B, C. Okay. Now let us simplify these expressions. So from see, if you consider the sum, you have A complement, B complement, C, A complement, B, C complement, A, B complement, C complement. So here you can do one thing. So you can take first A complement, B complement plus AB into C. So I have taken this term with this term because in രണ്ട് ടേമിലും C common ആണ്. Now the last two terms, from these two terms C complement is common. So if I take C complement common, then the remaining term is A complement B plus AB complement. Now what about this term? Actually this term is XOR gate. A complement B plus AB complement is XOR gate. So this is actually C complement into A XOR B. A XOR B, and here you have A complement B complement plus AB into C. So A complement B complement plus AB into C. So this is about our sum, expression for sum. Now if you consider the carry, here again you can take C outside. So you will get A complement B plus AB complement plus here you have AB common, so AB into C complement plus C. Now this is equal to C into A XOR B, A XOR B plus AB AB. So this will be the expression for C out. Now here since we have two C's, ഒരു C നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഇൻപുട്ടിൽ ഒരു C ഇവിടെ ഒരു C വരുന്നുണ്ട്. Also ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഒരു C വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അത് രണ്ടും കൂടി കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആവാതിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ഇവിടുത്തെ C യെ C out എന്ന് നെയിം ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So you have a C here also and here a C also. So this is actually carry out and this C is actually carry in. This is carry in and here you have a C out. So this is now C renamed as C out. C out or C0. Okay. So this is the expression for carry out. Now in order to make a circuit, let us simplify these expressions further. This is I can simplify these expressions. So let us consider the K-map for carry. So first I am starting with carry, then we will move on to sum. So here we have three variable K-map. So let us make a K-map. So this is our K-map. A complement, B complement 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So A complement B, A B and A B complement, C complement, C. Now for carry, the first high term is equal to A complement BC. A complement BC. So let me change the color. A complement BC. What is A complement BC is here. Then next term is A B complement C. A B complement C. Yeah. Next is A B C complement. A B C complement. Then A B C. A B C. Yeah. So this will be 0 here 0 0 and 0. Now we can encircle these. So encircle. So first we will encircle these pairs. Yeah. Here നമുക്ക് മൂന്ന് pair form ചെയ്യാം. This is one pair. Now you can pair these two ones. Overlapping is done. Now again overlapping. Again we can overlap here. So you can overlap like this. Okay. So now corresponding to this pair your term will be equal to AC and corresponding to our blue color. So this blue color will give you a term BC and the violet color will give you a term AB, AB. So the expression, the sum of product expression for carry C out is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. Okay. Now in order to make this circuit, this term, we only need three AND gates, and two OR gates. So C out in the much simpler expression number using K map determine ചെയ്തു. Okay. Now how to simplify this term, the sum term. Okay. So our expression for sum, So I'm just starting from another expression. Suppose I have, when we used a half adder, for half adder, our output was A XOR B. For half adder, there are two inputs and output was A XOR B. And for full adder, let us take the output A XOR B XOR C. Since we have three inputs, so the output may be A XOR B XOR C. Now let us consider this term. So I am doing A XOR B, A XOR B XOR C. What is this term? So A XOR B is equal to A complement into B plus AB complement into, then you have to XOR this term with C. Okay. So now what will be, so suppose this, I'm naming this term as some Y. So then this will be equal to Y complement C plus Y C complement. Okay. Now what is Y complement? So Y is equal to A complement B plus A B complement. So this implies Y complement is equal to A complement B plus A B complement whole complement. So that will be equal to De Morgan's theorem. We have to use De Morgan's theorem. A complement B whole complement into A B complement whole complement. Because we have the De Morgan's theorem, A plus B whole complement is equal to A complement into B complement. So I have used that De Morgan's theorem. Now this will be equal to, now again De Morgan's theorem you see, so better you can put a parenthesis or bracket here. So this will be equal to A double complement plus A double complement plus B complement into A complement plus B double complement. Now A double complement will be equal to A, and this will be equal to B complement. This will be equal to A complement plus again B double complement B out. Now if you multiply these terms, this will be A complement plus A B plus B complement A complement plus B complement or B complement B. Now A complement will goes to 0, B complement will also go away. So this will be equal to AB plus A complement B complement. So Y complement we have already determined. So this term will be equal to AB plus A complement B complement plus into C, okay, into C plus Y into, so that means A complement B plus AB complement into C complement, Now let us simplify these terms, or let us take the product of these terms. So let us proceed further. So that will be equal to ABC plus A complement B complement C plus A complement B C complement plus A B C complement. Okay. Now this term നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ കിട്ടിയ സമ്മിന്റെ ടേമും തമ്മിൽ നമുക്കൊന്ന് കമ്പയർ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. So this is our output expression, simplified term. So this is, നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തത് A complement B complement C അല്ല സോറി A XOR B XOR C എന്നാണ്. So we proved that A XOR B XOR C is equal to ABC plus A complement B complement C plus A complement B C complement plus ABC complement. Now let us take our expression for sum. Now if you compare these two expressions, this is the expression for sum. Let us compare these two expressions. So first you have an ABC term. So here you have an ABC term, here you have also an ABC term. Then A complement B complement C, A complement B complement C, A complement B C complement, A complement B C complement, and A B C complement, A B complement, A B complement C complement. So these two expressions are same. So you can write down this sum as A XOR B XOR C. Okay, so the expressions we got is sum is equal to A XOR B XOR C, and carry is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. We have the expression for sum is equal to, the sum is equal to A XOR B XOR C, and our carry is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. Now let us make the circuit of full adder. So let us draw three lines. Okay, so three input lines. So the first line represents A, this is for A, and this is for B, and this is for carry in CI. Okay, then we need an XOR gate, and that XOR gate is to be three input XOR gate. So I am making a three input XOR gate. So this is a three input XOR gate, and one of the input to this is A, another input is B, and another input is C. Then the output here will be equal to A XOR B XOR C, and that will be your sum output. Now what about carry? For carry you need three AND gates. So first AND gate, second AND gate, and third AND gate. Now for first AND gate your connection will be from A and B. So A B. For second term is B and C. So B is to be taken, then C. Then for third you have A and C as inputs. A and C. Now these three AND gate in the output OR gate like കൊടുക്കണം. So we have a OR gate here. So this will be carry. So one is from here. Or an input this three input OR gate. So this will give you, this is the circuit diagram for a half adder. This is the circuit diagram for a half adder. Now നമുക്ക് രണ്ട് half adder അല്ല full adder. This is circuit diagram for a full adder. Full adder. If നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ കാണിച്ച പോലെ വേണമെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരു ബോക്സിലൊക്കെ കാണിക്കാം ഇങ്ങനെ ഇൻപുട്സ് ഒക്കെ. സോ ഇവിടെ ഈ ബോക്സിന് പുറത്ത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മൂന്ന് ഇൻപുട്ടും രണ്ട് ഔട്ട്പുട്ടും ആയിരിക്കും ഉണ്ടാവുക. ആ രീതിയിലാണ് നമ്മൾ ഈ ബോക്സ് കാണിക്കേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, നൗ ഇതേ സർക്യൂട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് രണ്ട് ഹാഫ് ആഡർ യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടും കൺസ്ട്രക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. So first you have to consider a half adder. So I have a half adder here. So this is my half adder. So half adder ഞാൻ H എന്ന് എഴുതി. Now for this half adder you will have two input. One input will be A and another input will be B, and you have two output. The output will be sum and a carry. Sum and carry. So now this sum is given to another half adder. So you have another half adder here. So another half adder. So this is your second half adder. Now from here you have a carry in, carry from previous position C in. So this is your C in CI, and this carry I am taking this carry out here. Now here this half adder will produce a carry. Here you will have a carry and you will here have a sum. This sum will be your output sum. Now this carry is taken here. ഇത് രണ്ടും കൂടെ ഓർ ചെയ്യണം നമ്മൾ, ഈ രണ്ട് ക്യാരിയും കൂടെ നമ്മളൊരു ഓർ ഗേറ്റിലേക്ക് കൊടുക്കുക. ഹിയർ യു ഹാവ് എ ഓർ ഗേറ്റ്. Now this OR gate will give you the output carry, C out. Now this circuit, if I put all these things inside a box, then this will perform this will act as a full adder. This will be a full adder. So in this circuit we constructed a full adder using two half adders, one half adder and two half adder. Then you have three input A, B and C, CI. So first രണ്ടും ആഡ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയ ക്യാരി, ആ ക്യാരിയും then ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഉണ്ടാവുന്ന ഈ ക്യാരി കൂടെ ഞാൻ ഒരു OR ഗേറ്റിലേക്ക് കൊടുത്തു. Then you have a sum and a carry output. Okay, now you can do another thing. Another construction is, I will start from this expression. We have the carry output C0 is equal to C into A XOR B plus AB, and for sum I will use our previous equation, that is A XOR B XOR C. So our output expression is C0, A is equal to the sum A is equal to, sorry, sum S is equal to A XOR B XOR C, and the carry expression C out is equal to C into A XOR B plus AB. Okay, so നമുക്ക് എന്ത് വേണം ഇവിടെ, ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തത് ത്രീ ഇൻപുട്ട് XOR ഗേറ്റ് വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് സം എക്സ്പ്രഷൻ ചെയ്തത്. Now I am using a two input XOR gate. So first I have to have a two input XOR gate. So this is my two input XOR gate. ഈ XOR ഗേറ്റിലേക്ക് ഇൻപുട്ട് ആയിട്ട് ഞാൻ എയും ബിയും കൊടുക്കുകയാണ്. A and B are the input. So output will be of course A XOR B, A XOR B. Now this is given to another XOR gate. So you have another XOR gate here, and you will have a C from here. So that C, so you have a C from here. Yeah. So this is your input C. So കുറച്ചുകൂടെ വലിയ XOR gate വരയ്ക്കുകയാണ് നല്ലത്. Okay. So C. Now here you will have the output as A XOR B. One of the input is A XOR B and another XOR വരും. And B XOR C. So A XOR B XOR C. Yeah. So this will be our sum. ഇപ്പോൾ sum നമ്മൾ ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. Sum okay ആയി. ഇനി നമുക്ക് carry ഉണ്ടാക്കണം. Now carry വരണമെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? A XOR B into C വരണം. So that means we need a AND gate here. So just make it change the color. So I have an AND gate here. Now this AND gate in the one of the input is A XOR B. A XOR B and another input is C. So here you will have C into A XOR B. C into A XOR B നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇവിടെ കിട്ടും. Okay. Now നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്ത് വേണം? A into B വേണം. So another AND gate ഇവിടെ ഞാൻ യൂസ് ചെയ്തു. Another AND gate. Now this AND ഗേറ്റിലേക്ക് നമുക്ക് A into B വരണം. So A എന്നും B എന്നും കണക്ഷൻ വേണം. So A, we have A here, then B. So B is here. Then this AND gate will give you A into B. Now these two terms നമുക്ക് OR ചെയ്യണം. So you need a OR gate. OR gate. So this is C into A XOR B or A into B. This will be your carry and this will be your sum. Now this circuit will also perform the circuit. This is also a full adder, so not a half adder. This is also a full adder. Okay. So this is another realization. So much simpler, some simpler circuit for you to remember is the first circuit. ഞാൻ ആദ്യം draw ചെയ്ത this circuit ആയിരിക്കും much simpler to study for examination point of view, and also you can remember these two circuit also. Okay, thank you.